Okay, hello guys, it is Roman from IStudyInUK and here with me is Dominica.
Hi.
Dominica, welcome. And Dominica came from where? From England?
From the UK, yes.
You've been there at fam trip or you've been visiting some universities, and because I was not there with you, I would be very happy to get some information. How what you've seen there, how it was, what you experienced. So where have you been?
So we visited 3 universities.
Alright.
First of all, it was Coventry, Coventry
Yeah.
University in Coventry. The second one was DMU in Leicester, and the third one was in Nottingham Trent University. So
Okay, let's start with Coventry. Coventry, when I check the result or the surveys or the ranking of universities, they are stated always in the first 15, first 13, depends on what program. And in general, they are 15th best university in UK. What was your
my
expectation or impression, right?
impression. It was something. Well, yeah, it was something that I actually expected. I expected a university to be that kind of university. It was very welcoming. First of all, it's very spread, I would say, because it's really on the whole location of Coventry, and it's got several departments, or the School of Science, School of Math, School
I
of
think so, like 6
Economics.
faculties. Or-
Yes, by like faculties. So, and each one had really the impression that it wanted to give you. Like, it was, for example, the School of Architecture was really like an architectural building, or School of Engineering was really like, really, I knew that it is a School of Engineering because it looked like that. So it was really cool. And then also, like, moving around was very quick. Like, Coventry is a very small city, I would say, so it's not a problem. They have a lot of accommodations for students, so that was really cool. I guess every single student there can get accommodation from school, so it was
Another
really
good thing
awesome.
about Coventry is that it's very close to Birmingham, which is second biggest airport
Yeah.
in UK. So transportation wise, it's quite close.
It was like 20 minutes by train from the airport, so really quick, quite cheap. It was around £7 or £6, I think. So also it's not very expensive to go home or
All
travel
right.
somewhere.
So after Coventry, you went to another city, which is quite close. I think so it's 50 minutes from Coventry.
Yes, it's something like that.
Which is Leicester, and the school is called De Montfort University,
De Montfort
Leicester.
University,
What was
yes.
the impression of this school?
So the city was much bigger than Coventry, and the school was more concentrated in one place, so it was really like a campus on one spot. And it looked more like a university just because of that it's on one place and it's one campus, and it's got a lot of, like, canteen, that's like accommodation buildings and everything. So the area was really nice. Also, the school and everything, it was very, very high level, and everyone was very nice and welcoming, and the students were really excited. They could see that already, that those who were there that time, they were really happy
And
to
I'm
be
not
there.
sure if you know, but one of the benefits of studying at DMU, this is very rich school, and but they don't give away money to students in form of scholarships or bursaries, but they have this program which is called DMU Global,
Yes, DMU Global.
and you can go on field trips,
Yes,
but on like proper field trips, far
from the
away.
area where
Yes.
you study. For example, if you are studying fashion, then you have a trip by the university. You pay, for example, $200 or pounds. Yeah, pounds, and the rest is paid by the university. And you can go to New York, for example, for a week, and you go to these fashion designers, manufacturers, and everything. So you get to know the industry and everything, and you learn there, and it's really, really cool, and it's definitely
Actually,
awesome
if
experience.
you are, yeah, if students are interested in something to experience during the studies, just type to your Google search DMU Global,
Yeah.
and you can see, or you will find many videos, informations, and other benefits of this program.
Yeah.
And the last university which
Was-
you've seen was
was Nottingham Trent.
Uh-huh.
Nottingham Trent was it's the biggest city from these three, so it was really awesome. It has like 3 different campuses in the city center. And so there is one in the city center, there is one in the edge of the city, like in the suburbs, and there is one located outside, and it's, I think, this science and like nature stuff. So they're studying these kind of things there with animals, and so it's really exciting. And the transportation is very easy there because it's quite a bigger city or a bigger town. But this is more like the Coventry University, so it's like spread over a little bit, a couple of buildings in the city center, so you have to walk a bit. It's not that close, everything like at DMU, but it was still really awesome. And it was more about the atmosphere, like being a student living in a city and moving around and just like feeling like the citizen of the city. So that was cool, I would say, for summer.
What I know, you've been studying in Austria, but when you can compare Austrian facilities or facilities at your school to compare with any of those schools, how was it? It was amazing, big.
Yeah, the difference is that in the UK you pay these scholars this is not a scholarship, it's a tuition fee that is quite high, but in the Austria it's not that much, but you can see in the UK that they really invest into that. So this money that the students pay, it really reflects on the facilities and on the accommodation and everything. So the things that students can do there, and like really, for example, the facilities for science or architecture and everything, it reflects on that. And in Austria it wasn't that much, like the facilities were not that good, but I would say still it was good. But the UK was really visible, like it was really obvious that it really invested into this thing.
So if you could mark it from 1 to 10, what would you give to UK universities?
To UK, I would give them, based on my impression only,
20.
something between that, maybe 9. I would give them 9.
Really?
Yes, definitely, because I told myself when I saw this school, like I would definitely go here because it was really, really cool, and so like so many opportunities, like definitely like the DMU Global or.
And they have even guest lectures, and the companies are coming to schools or to universities in UK to do recruitment from the prospect of future alumni. Okay, guys.
Yeah, the good thing is about the UK is that there is you have this native impression, and when you're studying in English in a country which is not native for English, it's kind of different. But this is very good that it's really what you are promised to get, because these programs which are not in English-speaking countries, they are a little bit different structured and a little bit different. But in the UK, it's, I guess, 100%.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem.
And guys, if you want to know more information, just go on webpage IStudyInUK.com.